Jimmy's mom. This was for you. I met you with the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause it played it cool when I was scared letting go. Yeah, I knew I needed you, but it never showed. But I want to stay with you until we're really old. You say you won't let go. You say you won't let go. Yeah, I'll wake you up with some breakfast man. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And the kids at school wave them goodbye. I thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I older.